Hello dear students. So we are going to continue with our computer class 5. Okay, so in your last video your subject teacher has continued the explanation of chapter 3, that is Ubuntu. Okay, customizing the appearance. Now in your last chapter sir has discussed about what is Ubuntu. You came to know about Ubuntu, okay, and its features. Now let us summarize the whole lesson, okay, from the beginning. What is Ubuntu? I hope so every one of you know Ubuntu. It is an operating system through which our computer operates. Okay, it is an operating system. Basically Ubuntu is designed for educational purposes. Ubuntu is basically designed for educational purposes. Okay, it is very much helpful for educational purpose, okay, especially for students. So Ubuntu is a software. What will you answer? Ubuntu is a software, operating system that is basically designed for educational purposes. Now next comes desktop. What is desktop? Okay dear student, when anyone asks you what is desktop, what will you reply? That desktop is nothing but after switching on the computer, the first screen that we see, okay, is the desktop. Okay dear student, where small pictures are present there, isn't it? After switching on the computer you can see a screen in front of you. That screen is called desktop. Okay, now icons. What are the icons? Icons means suppose assume that this whole whiteboard is the desktop, it is your computer screen. So here you can see small pictures in the desktop, isn't it? In the desktop you can see small pictures. These small pictures are called icons. So if we click on this folder, double click on it, then we will be directed to that particular folder. So what are icons? Icons are the small pictures that are present in the desktop. Okay, icons generally are present in the desktop. Now next comes file manager. What is file manager? File manager is such a place from where you can get all those files, folders, whatever is there you have saved in your computer. Okay, that means if you visit there in this file manager, that means what? You can, from here you can go to all the files, all the folders, all the pictures, all the videos that are stored in your computer. Okay, you can say it is the main center from where you can go to each and every files or folders present in the computer. Okay, now next comes dear web browser. What is web browser? Web browser is a application. Okay, it is an application that is used to surf web. Surf web means when we use the internet, what we do? We need to, suppose as for example you need to open YouTube page. Okay, so where will you open it? We will open it in the web browser. Okay, so if the web browser is not present, we cannot open any particular given link, okay, or website, isn't it? So you can see what is the name of the web browser. In our mobile also we can see, isn't it? What are those? Safari. Then if Safari is not there, then we can see UC browser, isn't it? UC browser, then Opera Mini. These are all the web browsers, okay, which we can find in our computer or mobile, or you can say Google Chrome, isn't it? Out of this anyone might surely have in your computer or your mobile phone. So web browser is a software that is used to surf the internet. Okay, without the help of web browser we cannot surf the internet, we cannot go to any website. Now next, screensaver. What is screensaver? Suppose dear student, if you leave your computer, okay, idle means you leave it, you are not working on it. Okay, it means the computer is switched on but you are not working on it, isn't it? You have left it idle. As for example you say 5 minutes or 10 minutes. After that what you see? You will see a screen. Okay, like a ball moving on the screen. Then you can say a name, it may be someone's name which might be rotating. Okay, you can see it in the rotating in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. These are all called screensaver. Even though we can put screensaver or activate screensaver in our mobile also, isn't it? If we leave our mobile idle for few minutes, what happens? Either the light gets off, okay, the screen turns off automatically, or you can see the picture changes, or there is some movement on the screen, that particular moment or any such kind of thing which we see after the system is left idle. Okay, that means idle means you can say you are not operating it. Okay, in that particular case you can see the screen saver. So now dear student, I hope so you all have understood these few points. Okay, now next let us see what is written there in your book. So dear student, in this chapter, okay, from this chapter, whatever points are there, you should have that particular knowledge. All those points I have covered up. Okay, others various points are there, but these are all not up to you now. Okay, so these are the basic things you should keep in your mind.